Good afternoon, folks. How is everybody? Another gorgeous truck. Who doesn't love the Cummins diesel, right? One owner, folks. Next question. Does it have rust? No, it does not. She is a virgin frame. Virginia vehicle, zero rust. What are we looking at here? 2012 Ram 3500 dually. Laramie, one owner, every option. My God, she's gorgeous. Look at this guy. I love diesel trucks. I'm gonna dive in, don't you worry. I'm gonna dive in. Let's do the real truck guy stuff right now, right? Let's start right here. Oh, forgot to mention, 6 brand new tires. Installed road force balance. Look at that frame, guys. Look at that frame, folks. Let's dive in from the back. Well, let's show the back. There she is. Look at that rear end. Laramie. Backup camera, yes. High output diesel, yes. 4x4, yes. Parking sensors, yes. Okay, what's up with this? There's a dent there. We're not replacing that bumper. We just want you to know. All right, let's dive in. We're doing the real truck stuff right now. Let's take a look at that guy. Yeah, baby. Oh, don't you worry, I'm going to show you everything. And you have a clean truck. Okay, here I am on the ground. Directly to my right is the rear tires. There she is. She's on the regen cycle right now. Diesel guys will know what that is. Okay. Look at that. Nice. You want me to open it? Okay, I will. No worries. There she is. Don't you like that nicely finished bed liner on that truck with that cover? Yes, you can fold it. Of course, you know that. But I have to mention, I'm sorry. Guys, we didn't dive in yet. We're gonna, oh, let's do this side, right? Yes. I promise you they are brand new tires. Look at that frame. Look at that frame. You want me to dive in from here too? Yeah, I know. Okay, here she is.